It is now time for us to turn and talk with a buddy. Here I have a few discussion prompts, and we are going to have about 30 seconds for each to turn and talk with a buddy. If you're at home, you can turn and talk with a family member or your favorite stuffed animal. If you are in class, you are going to stay in your area to turn and talk with a buddy next to you or behind you or in front of you. And let me pull up my clock. All right, so the first thing that we are going to discuss is how would you describe Eleanor's early life? I'm going to give you 30 seconds to do that. Go. All right. So maybe during that discussion, you and your partner talked about how her mother passed away when she was 8. Her father passed away 2 years later. She went to go live with her grandmother in England. She went to boarding school. And then from there, she was in a really wealthy family. She was well taken care of. Discussion topic number 2. Why do you think she volunteered to work for many organizations? Going to give you 30 seconds to discuss. Go. Alright. So she volunteered for many organizations because she cared about people. She wanted everyone to be treated equally, and she wanted people to realize that we are all created equally. Number 3. Do you think she enjoyed being First Lady? Why or why not? Go. All right. So I think she enjoyed being First Lady because she got to make a positive impact. She got to change rules and laws that no one else was trying to change. She got to show people that their lives were worth something and that they actually did matter. Let's see. Number 4. What do you think we should remember most about Eleanor Roosevelt? Ooh, that's a good one. Ready? Go. All right. So what I think we should remember most about Eleanor Roosevelt is that she cared for people and she went out of her way. She stepped out of her comfortable life just to make sure that everyone was created or everyone was treated equally and fairly. All right, number 5. What lesson can we learn from her amazing life? Last one, 30 seconds. Go. is our time. I think what we can learn from Eleanor is to stand up for what is right always.